ECDL Advanced, Word, Lesson 48, Accepting and Rejecting Changes. Once changes have been tracked in a document, it's possible to view each change and either accept it or reject it. If the change is rejected, the text reverts to its original state. This is very useful when creating a joint report or similar document. A common scenario is for an author to create a report or similar document, then have it reviewed by one or more people. By tracking changes, the author can see which changes to the document have been suggested and decide whether to include them in the final version. I have open Tracking, which we saved in the last lesson. We want to click at the top of the document, make sure the Review tab is visible. A tracked document can be viewed in a variety of ways. If we click on the Review drop-down, if we look at the Tracking section, what we're looking for is Display for Review. That's this button here. At the moment it's set for Simple Markup. It will show a bar in the margin to indicate the changes that have been made. If we show All Markup shows the bar and the changes in the document. If we click on No Markup, that displays no bar and no changes are shown in the document. If we go for Original, it removes any changes from the document. So we've looked at each one in turn, and now I'd like to move forward by showing All Markup. If we then click the Reviewing pane, we have an option of Reviewing pane vertical or Reviewing pane horizontal. I've clicked on the Reviewing pane vertical, and we'll notice that the details of all the changes are displayed in a Reviewing pane at the left of the screen. If alternatively we go for Reviewing pane horizontal, it's going to show the changes at the bottom of the screen. Now this includes data on which the user made the change and also indicates when it was changed. Next, if we then go back to Review and click Next in the Changes group, it'll move to the first change. If we want to accept the change, in other words to accept the added text, click the Accept button in the Changes group. The next change is highlighted. Accept this change as well. As far as the final change is concerned, this one we wish to reject. So select the Reject button in the Changes group, and what we'll find is the suggested text is now removed, so it goes back to the original. Press OK. Notice that now no text is highlighted. This is because the changes have been either accepted or rejected. Next, on the Review tab, click the Reviewing pane. This will remove the pane, then click the Track Changes button, and that will revert to editing text in the normal way. Okay, finally, save the document as final before closing it. Okay, look forward to seeing you next time.